So last time students we completed 6.1, that was about mean. Now from today we start with the 6.2, it is about median. See, median, it was basic in 9th standard, but in 900 sums like this we have to write the numbers in ascending order. For example, 12, 16, 19, 23. Then we have to observe this number, either they are odd or even. If odd numbers are there, then we can choose as a middle number, as a median. If even numbers are there, then we have to take two numbers, then find the average of that two numbers. Then we can calculate the median. It was in 9th standard. Barabar? These are the data given. But in 9th standard median and 10th standard median totally different. Because in 10th standard there is a numbers which are in a column or classes. So we start with the median. So 6.2 total depends upon median. For that we have to first bifurcate the sums. Like mean. Mean there are three methods. Now median there are two methods. Formula is the same. Why two methods? Because sometimes classes are continuous, sometimes classes are not continuous. So in mean, classes are continuous, not continuous, no problem. But median, we required classes should be continuous. So 6.2 sums when classes are continuous. Sums when classes are not continuous. Okay, so this is the two types of sum. Okay, barabar. So first bifurcate. See, 6.2 first sum, yes, 8 to 10, 10 to 11. So this is called continuous class, 8 to 10, 10 to 11. There is no gap between here. So this is continuous class. So 6.2 first sum. Second sum again, yes, continuous. Then third sum, classes are not continuous. So it is come here. 6.2 third sum here, not continuous. Now fourth sum again, classes are continuous. Now come to problem set number 6. How many sums are there? Depends upon median. Sum number, yes, 6. Median, find the median. But luckily it is continuous classes, so I can take entry here. Problem set 6. Sum number 6. Then sum number, find the median, classes are continuous. So 7. Okay, then 8, 9, from 8 is no median classes, sums, only this much sum you have to do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sum. Out of that 4 sum I will do and 2 sum you have to do as a homework. Okay, so start with the first make a chart. Here also chart required. Here only 3, 1 classes, which is known as a class, then frequency, which is also given, then here CF shortcut, it was in your 900, cumulative frequency less than type. That in 900 it was less than and more than, here only less than type. Shortcut of CF, I am again repeating, cumulative frequency less than type. Class frequency given in the question paper. Now here we required one more, that is continuous class. When classes are not continuous, so we have to make it continuous class, and then same frequency, then cumulative frequency less than type. For both we require same formula. Formula is one, only one, single formula is there. For both we require one formula. Median is equal to L plus n upon 2 minus CF upon F. F means frequency outside into H. H is a difference between class. Now what is the meaning of this variable unknown variables? L. L is called as a lower limit of class. N is known as a total frequency. What is CF? CF cumulative frequency less than type 1 minute. CF cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. Now what is the meaning of this? We will come to know while taking sum. Then frequency F means frequency of median class, and last H is a difference between or class interval. It is known as a class interval of median class of classes. Now what is the meaning of these 5 unknown? We will come to know while taking sums. Okay. Till then you have to write this and copy this and then by these sums. Very important.